What's going on, y'all? Taking a look at the brand new Rapala DT Series 12. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. Now, this bait in the DT series stands for Dive 2. One of my favorite all-time DTs is the DT10 and DT8. Now, this 12 here is long overdue in my opinion. This bait is going to be coming in the wide selection that Rapala offers for their different crankbaits. Of course, one of my favorites, green gizzard shad, parrot, penguin, another one. But this guy right here, let me tell you kind of more in detail. So this DT12 is very, very similar in body to the DT10. So it's a little bit bigger, a step up from the DT6 and DT8. So it's a little bit bigger overall profile, giving you almost a 2-inch body length. Now, one of the main differences between the 10 and the 14 originally is the bill size. So what's cool about the DT12 is they actually take the DT10 body, pair it up with a DT14 bill, and that little minimal subtraction of the overall body of the bait, less buoyancy, also less drag in the water, is going to allow this bait to dive down a little bit less than the DT14. So this DT12 here, gonna probably become one of my new favorites, kind of one of those in-between sizes right before you move up in body size, but you're still getting that great depth. If you're fishing in the summertime or you're fishing in the wintertime, this is going to be an amazing bait for you. Of course, this is balsa, so it is pretty neutrally buoyant, not super fast floating, as well as silent in the water. Comes with the standard Rapala hooks, no upgraded red lines or anything, but typically for me, I like to always change these hooks. Just a personal preference, you don't have to. But really, really cool stuff. On this DT12, you can use just about any rod you want. Typically recommend anywhere from 10, maybe, 8 to 12 is my comfortable range for fluorocarbon. Of course, you can also use braid to leader. Your choice, you're fishing, do whatever you want. Brand new from Rapala, the DT12. Thanks for watching and come to WeCast.